How to see who liked you on Bumble. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to see who liked you on Bumble. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing you have to do is to make sure that you've installed the Bumble app on your mobile phone. Once you've installed it on your mobile phone and you open it, this is what you're going to see on your mobile phone. Here at the top left corner, you see the three lines. You can click on it. And here you choose a connection. So it's either you choose a date connection or BFF connection. It's very essential because this connection would determine the people that would connect to you on Bumble. So if you click on date option connection, people that are ready for a date on Bumble are those that will connect to you. But if you choose on BFF, people that are ready to make friends and find community are those that would connect to you on Bumble. So you have to choose a connection, okay? Bumble is basically is an app for online dating, online relationship, or online friendship. Okay, so at the top right corner you see the settings icon, so you can click on it and just know what it is about. Okay, you can just click on it and just scroll down the page to explore. You can explore the settings icon too. Okay, so at the upper part of the screen too, at the center you see the round circle showing your picture. That's your profile picture. Then under it is your name with your age. Also you see after that you see two options. You see my pay plan and my safety. You see safety and well-being. So you see several things that Bumble can help you to cope with or to prevent. It can prevent mental exhaustion or feelings of rejection, harmful behavior. So under my pay plan also you see you can see several options that are available or several offers available on Bumble. The spotlight offer is available, the super service is available, the premium offer is available, and the boost offer is available. So just make sure that the offer you're gonna choose or choose would be an offer that you can afford. Okay, so at the lower part of the screen too, you see several icons. You see the profile icon, then you see the best bees icon. When you click on the best bee icon, which is the second icon under at the bottom at the lower part of your screen, you see several people here. You can just, if any of them catch your eyes, you can just like their picture. Okay, so the third icon, you can click on it to see people that have the same interest as you. You have interest in common. Okay, also you can click on the like the art option to see who like you. You can just look at the lower part of the screen. Here you see who likes you. Since that's what you want to see on Bumble, you can just click on the option and boom, this will be displayed on your screen. Here it means that for you to see who liked you on Bumble, you have to subscribe to the premium offer. So you cannot just see people that like you on Bumble without subscribing to premium offer. Okay, so just make sure that you make the right choice, because here we have several offers. We have the lifetime offer where the price is attached to it. We have the 6-month offer, we have the 3-month offer, we have the 1-month offer, and we have the 1-week offer too. So just make your choice, the one that you can afford. Okay, so you can't see anyone that like you on Bumble without subscribing to premium offer. So I hope this video has been of help to you. So this is simply how to see who liked you on Bumble. Thank you.